Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the text to your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So you just open a video in the app, and if you want to add text, go to the right side of the screen and you can find the right bar. Click to the start option, the letter, and here you can type your text. You can find different font type, you can add different animation, and you can add different cinematic type to your text and to your video. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.